right, what's up YouTube? Barrington Lewis here. I am in my garage. I finally did it. I got the GoPro 8. I mean, it's not even the, GoPro Max now. I think it's the latest version, but I got the GoPro 8, $299 because I'm cheap. And I think it'll do the job for this channel that I have and what I'm about to do tomorrow. I'm about to show y'all right here. So as y'all can see, we got the Mustang got the calipers painted. She's clean, ready to go. We're gonna go up in the mountains. Dragon Trail is called not the Dragon Trail, it's Dragon Trail for Georgia, but we have the Suture Sloop, that's what it's called. And I've done this trail before with a friend of mine. So we're gonna take old buddy out, the Silver Bullet, take her up to Suture Sloop. Should be nice weather. Right now it's about 85 degrees, partly cloudy. It should be the same tomorrow for Saturday for the weekend. And so that's it. What's up YouTube? I'm Barrington Lewis. I'm here. We're getting ready to go to the mountain. It is early. It's kind of bad. 7:39 in the morning. Getting ready to go to the mountains. Gonna do some driving on Suture Sloop, also known as the Dragon Loop, Dragon Eyes, whatever, here to Georgia. Don't want to wake up everybody in the house, so I'm talking kind of low. Get some tea. I don't drink coffee. Drink some tea and get ready and get a little bit of breakfast. Get on the road. I have my GoPro down in the basement, charged, ready to go. Gonna see how that sets up, and then go from there. All right, YouTube, we have the GoPro installed. It's gonna be right here, almost like you're riding along with me. You can see what I see, a little bit right up the mirror here. But about to finish this tea, and then we're about to get in here and we're about to take off. All right, YouTube, it is time to roll. In here, close the door. All right, let's start her up. One thing I gotta say is that it is a cloudy day today. Look at this Charger in front of me. Challenger, actually. Cloudy day. All right, YouTube, we are here in Dahlonega, Georgia. Waiting for my friend to meet up here. We're gonna, like I said, he has a kill sticker. We're gonna take this loop and have a good time. His name is Chris, but we call him Kool Kat. We'll see if he wants to get on camera or not. I'm not sure how shy or whatever he is, but we'll see. Maybe take pictures of his car, but you guys obviously see him when we're driving. So, gonna have a good time. It's like Chris is pulling up now. And all right, I'm about to get out. All right. Yeah, well, I got a GoPro in there too. Got Kool Kat. This is this thing with the Brimbos. I love it, man. I didn't get ready too. Yeah, nice, man. In there. Yeah, same here. I ain't really trying. I mean, I went through a no contact car wash just to rinse it off, but that's it, man. Yeah, I'm wherever you are, man. Got any? Gonna do the same loop we did before? Yeah, probably. Just do it in reverse order. Okay, cool, man. Well, we gotta hit it. All right. All right, let's get in here, get this thing started. All right, put this GoPro on. All right, we got Kool Kat in front of me. About to take off, see what Dahlonega has to offer. Citrus Loop, but in reverse order, as you guys heard him mention. And you know, have a good time. I'll try not to talk too much. This is on. We got about maybe a 10-minute drive before we actually get to the loop. play, dude. What the heck are you doing? I don't like that. Cars were. Got out of the way. Yeah, these guys are driving a little too crazy. Woo. They look nice though. The youngest get ahead of us. We're driving a bit. We're driving crazy too, but these roads aren't the driest roads. Looks like they're turning around. They are turning Yeah, I'm so glad you pulled over, let those guys pass.
Race cars out there.
Hell yeah. All right, YouTube. We're heading back. All right, YouTube. We're heading back home. We did a little loop around the Dragon Trail, or that's Citrus Loop in Georgia. Had a good time with Kool Kat. We are heading back. We're going to make a little stop at a bar, have a drink or two, and then call it a day. But it was fun times. Thank y'all for being here with me. I mean, I loved it. I enjoy coming up here. He and I do this. I guess we're going to do this, make this an annual thing. Try to get more of our friends to come up. You guys that are watching this, you know who you are. To come up here with us, do this loop, have a good time. I mean, see this part of the state, which I think is very nice. You see some other people up here too. It's been a great time, like I said. So, you know, we'll sign off right now. I don't think I'm going to keep recording from this point on. Once we head to the bar, have a couple of drinks, and I'm going to head back home. And then after I head back home, edit this video, upload it on my YouTube channel. Like and subscribe, follow, comment on this video. Let me know what you like, what you don't like. Like I said, it's my first time recording on the GoPro, so I haven't really, you know, I'm still working out the kinks of the editing world, the YouTube world, but I enjoy really recording. I enjoy this process, and we'll see you guys next time, all right?